How to fix Apple Watch Ultra battery draining fast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Apple Watch Ultra battery draining fast. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix to this is restart your Apple Watch. Temporary bugs or glitches can be the reason your Apple Watch Ultra's battery is draining quickly. Also, if you've recently updated Watch OS in the past few days and have not restarted the device yet, it is a good time to do so now because after a software update, certain services drain a significant amount of battery. The other fix for the battery draining issue is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh constantly checks for updates from apps and other services installed on the Apple Watch Ultra. This constant consumption of resources leads to battery drain, so to disable this feature, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Open the Settings app and navigate to General. Scroll down and select the Background App Refresh option here. Disable the Background App Refresh toggle button. Also, disable the Location Services. Location services on the Apple Watch Ultra make use of GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, etc. to determine your location, leading to much more battery uses. So go ahead and disable location services. To disable, press the digital crown to go to the home screen. Open the Settings app and navigate to the Privacy and Security option. Next, tap on the Location Services option and further go ahead and disable the Location Services toggle button and tap on the OK button to confirm your selection. You can also try to reset your Apple Watch to fix this issue. To reset, open the Watch app on your iPhone and head to the My Watch tab. Here, tap the All Watches option at the top of your screen and then tap on the I like button located next to the paired watch you want to unpair. Now, tap on the Unpair Apple Watch button and then select the Unpair Apple Watch button to confirm your selection. If asked, enter your Apple ID and password and then tap the Unpair button at the top right corner. The unpairing process will take a while to complete. Lastly, bring your iPhone and Apple Watch close to each other and then follow the on-screen instructions to pair the Apple Watch with your iPhone. And these are the processes you can use to fix your Apple Watch Ultra battery draining fast issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.